Once you've installed some applications from the Edmodo App Store to some of your courses, what you need to do is launch that app so that you can actually create something for your students to use. So for instance, I'll come back over here, and below the store you're going to see this little tool over here. This is the apps launcher. So when we click on this, it's going to show me all the applications that I have installed from Edmodo into one of my Edmodo classes or multiple classes. So the one that I just did before was this flashcards one. So I'm just going to click on this. And this just creates a little pop-up on top of your Edmodo course. You can sort of see Edmodo here in the background, and I could close out of this and get back to it if I needed to. And this is a flashcard application, and what I can do is I can create a flashcard set for my students to use and to study with so that they can practice something that they're going to be doing in class. This particular application also allows the students to create their own flashcard sets, so if they wanted to create flashcards, they could do that as well. Now I've already, again, this is not to teach you how to use different applications in here, just to show you what is available and how your students can use it and how you can add it. So I did make a little flashcard set with this, and just so you see how students would access anything that you create for them using Edmodo applications. So I'm going to click back behind on my other browser window, and I'm logged in as a student over here. And in order for the student to actually use and find any applications or activities you have created using an app, what they'll need to do is also launch the app launcher. It's not going to show up anywhere in their news feed because this is a separate application. My suggestion is if you do create an activity using one of the apps, that you post a note in your news feed indicating, please launch the app launcher, go to this particular app and complete the activity, because otherwise they won't know that they have an activity waiting for them. So over here we're logged in as Tim Tebow on this side on the student end, and what Tim Tebow will do is he will click on the app launcher as well. These are all the applications that his teacher has given him access to or has created activities for. So he's going to come over to the flashcards, and when he clicks on the flashcards, he's going to see what is available to him. So over here we see this is the course that Tim Tebow was enrolled in. So we're going to click on here the course. And we can see here is the flashcard set that I have created so that this class can practice with. So what they're going to do is click on colors. And Tim Tebow is going to practice his Spanish. So this is a Spanish one. And if we flip the card, it'll give him the definition, or rather the translation. And then you can go on to the next one and flip the card, etc. What's kind of nice about this flashcard one is after you go through all the flashcards, this particular application will actually create a quiz based on all the information the teacher has put on these cards. So if he clicks take a quiz, and we click start quiz, you can see here now all the different quote-unquote definitions or translations of the word are available, and Tim Tebow can actually do further practice with the flashcards. Again, I don't want to spend too much time doing this, but just so you see how this works. So I'm going to close out of this, and I'm going to close back out of this particular application. And again, what I would do on my end, on the teacher end, is let the students know, hey, click on the app launcher, click on flashcards, and practice the color flashcard set. And this way they know that there's something for them to complete, because it will not indicate automatically in the newsfeed that there's something for them to do. And that's basically all there is. Take some time, explore the App Store. There's a lot of really cool tools in here that will really enhance some of the different activities that you can do and still stay within the Edmodo interface.